at BVE 2017, the UK's biggest media and entertainment expo. I'm here with Tom Swan at DB Broadcast. Tom, talk to me about the company and how it's evolving.
The company has grown phenomenally over the last 2 or 3 years. If you go back about 4 or 5 years ago, we were about 50 people. At this very moment in time, we're 150 people, 50 full-time staff. The other 100 are contract engineers working on specific projects that we're undertaking at the moment.
So tell me, what are those key projects or products that you have out at the moment that are really pioneering the way for the company?
Well, if I start with the systems rather than the product side of it, systems-wise, we're undertaking a major project in the centre of London at the moment, which is fully IP-based. This will be the very first of its type of system. It'll be fully 4K UHD and IP-based throughout. And this is a major undertaking because it's using a lot of manufacturers' products which have never been used on their own, let alone together. So that's the first big project. But we're also doing projects which are perhaps more traditional. We're going around a number of transmitter sites at the moment around the country, 72 in total, and we are clearing certain other bandwidths so they can be sold off in future by the regulator and by the government to earn more money perhaps for a telecom company. So that is a 2.5, 3 year project going around the country. So one is a major one in London, another one is going around the whole country. But that's just to list a couple.
And talk to me about the products that you have out at the moment.
The product-wise, we're expanding our product range as well. The Cardinal range of mains distribution units is one of our major product ranges. This has a number of units from the high-end intelligent mains distribution units, which have web interfaces, SNMP interfaces, has email messaging, so it has a lot of nice features in, to the more traditional broadcast MDUs, which are obviously significantly cheaper. And then we have some other models in between. The other big range that we have at the moment is the Hawkeye range, which has a number of ASI monitoring and switch modules. And it also has some DVB-T2 monitoring receivers. And both those products are used throughout the country as part of these transmitter projects that we've been doing.
So what does the future look like within your sector?
One word, change. It's changing a lot. It's changing from technology, which we've used in the past, to new types of technology. A lot of the companies we're now using as part of our systems, we wouldn't have even considered being involved with a few years ago because they weren't in the broadcast realm. Because the technology is changing, we're now using those companies. But also the industry is completely changing because of the way broadcasters are changing. Their whole model is changing from the way they like to buy technology in the past, build a system, install it, pay for it. They now want to actually have a model where they only pay for what they use at that particular time. So they want to spread out the costs over a lot bigger period. So there are a lot of changes and there's a lot of challenges over the next few years.
Exciting times.
It is exciting times.
So how can people find you, Tom, at DB Broadcast?
They can give us a ring. We've always got people on the phone. They can actually get us through LinkedIn. But the easiest way, if they just want to know a little bit about us, is through our website. So if they look at www.dbbroadcast.co.uk.
So there you have it, that's Tom Swan at DB Broadcast.